Hello, in this video I am going to show you how the website is works. So let's get started. In this video I will show how users and you can manage profiles. So in this video I will create two accounts for employers and candidates. So let's get started. First of all, I will create a employer account. So to employer account you may click on here and click on register and fill out this form, email, password, and hit register now. And employer can create their account by clicking on here. After filling out this form, email, password, confirm password, and by accepting the terms and condition, we can click on register now to be registered on this website as employer. And there is another option for register for employers. As you can see, this is a job. Let's open it. And when someone click on apply now button, it will be asked for email address, and when he drop his email address he will be registered on this website as a employer, as you can see. So we will use this email account to register our candidate account. As you can see, I have pasted the email address. Now I will click on apply now button, and the page will be redirected. As you can see, our candidate account is approved and it is saying that applied. We may check out our dashboard. As you can see, we have successfully applied a job. Let's click on profile button. As you can see, it is asking for some information. We can browse our we may browse our resume or CSV. As you can see, it is redirecting us to our file explorer. I am not going to upload any file right now, but I will fill this form. I am going to pick random date for this, but employers, your candidate will fill this form as their actual data, and when he will or she will put all his data, it will be it can be downloaded as CSV, CV or resume. I will show you how to download once CV or resume from an employer account. So let's fill out these forms firstly. Employers can also included their social platform. As you can see, there is link to be connected here. Let's type here. There are more options to be added on here. As you can see, Twitter, LinkedIn, Dribble, and Tumblr. So I'm not going to add more network. So pause. This is option to input location address. Candidates have also the option to add their introduction video. Let's add here a sample video. My internet is slow working right now. As you can see, it is very slow. Yes, so I have to fix the internet. As you can see, it is not properly working. I'm going to pick a random one and add the video over here and save the profile. As you can see, our profile has been successfully updated. We can also attach our custom CV here. It should be PDF docs file. So I'm not going to attach any CV right now, but your candidate will be able to attach their CV here. We can also create our resume from here. You also will be able to add portfolio, award, and other information as well. So I'm not going to show all this information right now. Let's check out our next option, my applied. This will show how many jobs we already applied, and shortlist jobs. If we save any jobs, we may check on here. We may get the list of our shortlisted jobs here. We may also have option to follow employers. If we have any, it should be founded on here. And if we have any notification set up, then we will get job alert over here. Messages, if employers message to any candidate, he will be found over here. Messages, candidate also will be able to call for a meeting. Sorry, employers also will be able to invite for a meeting, and if any employer invited him, he will be get the notification over here. And you may familiar with this option, password change, delete profile, or logout. So this is all about account creation and dashboard. If we apply jobs as candidate, we will be check the number of applied jobs over here. As you can see, let's apply for another job. As you can see, these are some information about location, offered salary, and job posted, and job type, and this is the category. So let's see how to apply for job. As you can see, candidate can upload their CV in docs or PDF file. Let's apply the job with some demo data. Let's find a docs over here. Let's pick this docs file, and employers also send a message with CV. This is a sample sample application for applying the job. Then apply job to be applied for the job. As you can see, it is showing applied. If we will refresh this page, we will see another job listed here. As you can see, we have applied two different jobs. We may also follow a employer. To follow it, and let's open a employer. As you can see, this is a employer profile. This is about the company profiles, portfolio and video. There are more information about the employer. We may click to follow this employer. As you can see, you are now successfully following employer. Now let's check out our profile, and now click on here to. As you can see, I about a few seconds ago I followed the employer, and I can see the name of employer over here. Candidates also will be able to send the employer a private message. I will show how to send private private message to employers, but before that, let's create a new employer. So we may use this email. As you can see, it is another email. I will use this email to create an employer account. So to create an employer account, I will need to click on here, click on register, and then click on employer and drop here my information. Let's copy this email address, put the email address here, and let's make a password for this. And just copying this password to use later. Now let's click on register button. As you can see, our profile creation is done successfully. Employers can create an account and post their job. As you can see, as an employer, to post a job, I need to purchase an account and subscription. As you can see, there are a few subscription over here. If you need to Since the pricing and features are in text, you may knock me. I will update pricing and all other recorded things over here. So I think you could understand the employers should must have create an account to post their job, but I think on our main admin, not any employer or candidate account, but our master admin, we will get a notification to approved or disapproved the employer. So I can see a few notification. As you can see, I have applied to different jobs from our candidate account, so it mailed me for showing the notification. As you can see, everything. But to the email address that I used, our master admin, we should get a email which should show us an employer account has been created. So if you want, you can approve the account from there without purchasing any account. You can also pressure them to create to purchase an account to be posted their jobs. Now let's check out our master admin. Let's type here synchronized and slash wp admin and hit enter. As you can see, my account is already logged in as a admin, so I'm going to log out here. Let's type here again wp admin. One more things, we can log in our website slash wp admin, or we can also log in to our admin main admin panel by here also. As you can see, this information will work both for wp admin and on our login button as well. So let's click on here to be login on our main admin. As you can see, it is working. It will redirect us to our dashboard. As you can see, this is our dashboard. Let's check out our employers, all employers. I think they emailed to this email address, as you can see, this email address. If not, then they will be auto approved when the employer purchase a link, purchase a subscribe from this. And once you have make a purchase, you will be able to post jobs. Now let's, as I have don't access to your email address, so I don't able to show you how to post a jobs, as my employer account is not approved. I need to make a payment to be approved as an employer. Let us check out more options from here. As you can see, we got some options to create our profile. We can set our logo image, cover photo, employer name. We can also put here profile photos, employees, and other informations. When we submit jobs, we can found the job list from my jobs. If we published jobs and candidates applied on our jobs, we may see a list of applicants here, as I don't have any published jobs and there is no applicants right now. That's why it is showing no applicants found. We may also follow candidates to be see a short listed of candidates. As you can see, this is a package option. This will show if we have purchased any packages, messages. If any candidate inbox the employer, then a list of messages will be shown over here. And if we select any meetings, then we will get the list of meetings over here. And as you may be familiar with this option, sense password, delete profile, and etc. Let's have a try to see candidate list. As you can see, we can successfully get a list of candidates. We may follow a candidate, invite for a meeting. We need to have some published jobs to invited candidate, but I think we would be able to download this employer's CV. Let's click on here. As you can see, it is successfully downloaded. Let's open. As you can see, a moment ago I created an candidate, and as you can see, everything I have put on there, these informations are founded over here by downloading the CV. As you can see, everything is here. I put it $25 per hour and 2 years experience, male as gender, and everything I put it found over here. We may send a message to the candidate. So as you can see, we can send a message to the candidate. Let's publish the message to him. Need to provide a message as well. As you can see, our message successfully sent. Let's check out our let's check out our candidate profile to verify if we get the SMS from the employer. Let's log out from our main admin and let's you can remember that we we create an candidate account from a job applied, but we don't have put any password. So let's see if we have any password. If not, then we will need to forget password to get a link to be to reset a password. I don't get any password, so I need to forgotten password to reset our new password. So let's input our email address. Let's check out our email. As you can see, they have sent two email address. The password is set automatically. Let's copy this and let's put the information over here again. Let's put here the email address and the password and hit on login button. Let's check out our message option. There is no message option. I think the employer need to be a paid member by purchasing a package. Then the he will be able to send our message and candidate will be able to see the message. But as our employer account is a free account, so maybe that's why we don't get any message on here. Let's check out the employer account from a candidate account and let's try to send them a message. Once again, my internet is down. Fix the internet issue from here. Let's refresh this page again. As you can see, this is our employer profile. Let's open this one and send them a private message. You can see message sent successfully. Let's refresh this page to check out if we get any account, any message actually. As you can see, there is a notification. As you can see, a new private message from mail recipe. The name of the candidate is picked from the name of the Gmail address actually. So let's check out the notification and check out the SMS. Let's click on here, and as you can see, I can see the profile of the candidate, but where is the message? As you can see, this is the message sent from the candidate. As you can see, everything is same. So let's respond to this email, to this message. Now I will write another SMS, reply his SMS. As you can see, the response sent it. Now let's refresh this page. As you can see the conversation from the account. So I hope you can see everything is working fine. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I'm going to stop this video right now. Thanks a lot.